Hello everyone, this is the last day of Georgia and I'm gonna miss this place and everything here is so perfect. And then here we're at the wine shop, KTW, and we are entering inside the wine shop. There's a lot of wines. There's a lot of people also. And they're just selling wines. Just that. And then that's a certificate.
Company name is KTW, means Cahetian Traditional Winemaking, and here in this factory we are not making wine. We have here just a bottling and taste for tourists. This is a bottling factory.
And now she's pointing us to go there, and then we're just following her. Now the lady is pouring some wine, and the wine is very white. It looks like water. And when we tried the wine, it tastes very sour and I don't like it.
Great, okay? And when you will do your glass like this, after a second you will see that here is coming like a tears, you know? So, and it means that there is no any sugar, any water or any other things, you know. By this way you can check wine, is it natural or not, okay? Now
საქართველოს გაუმარ ჯოს.
Now we're done with the tour of the wine, so now we're gonna buy some wine. So this lady is making Georgian sweets, and my mama's gonna buy this bread called mother's bread. They're cooking it in a big oven, and the bread was very hot but very yummy. It had no sugar, but it was very good. Now, Mama had made new friends. we are arriving at the Bodbe Monastery. My favorite place, by the way, because there's so much snow. Now we're done with the church. We're gonna find a restaurant. Then after that, when we find the restaurant, we're gonna go and eat. Now we're done with the lunch, and this dog is very friendly. And he's also tour guiding us to the place where we need to go. That's it for today. We're gonna go back to the hotel and we're gonna have dinner outside, and we're gonna see Georgian dance vibes.